In a bold move to blend rugged capability with refined luxury, Ineos Automotive has unveiled the Grenadier Detour, a special edition off-roader. Limited to just 200 units, the Detour is the first product from Ineos Arcane Works division. It features distinctive 18-inch forged alloy wheels, custom color options, and bespoke details like a new exhaust system. Inside, the Detour offers a leap in luxury with Bridge of Weir leather upholstery, laser-etched aluminum scuff plates, and Johnstons of Elgin Cashmere headliners. Priced at £134,100, $173,234, this exclusive model showcases Ineos' commitment to craftsmanship and innovation, promising future editions with enhanced powertrains and new technologies. Each unit can be customized further, ensuring a unique ownership experience. This strategic move not only highlights Ineos' dedication to quality but also its ambition to set new standards in the off-road vehicle market, combining durability with high-end luxury.